Good day, folks. It's Craig Bonham, Vice President of Safe Fleet Work Truck, and thanks for making this stop here with us today on Work Truck 360 Edition 10. Imagine that. This month, we're opening up the Work Truck 360 mailbox, and we've got some questions to put in front of you today. The first question comes to us from AJ at Summit Body Works. Why does it take so long to ship Prime Design products like the Alu-Rack and the rear access ladder? Maybe start a distribution center in the Midwest. First and foremost, if we're not supporting you properly, it's important for us to know about that. And now you've made aware of that with us, and I appreciate that. It's also up to us as your supporting system, as your supplier, to do a routine health check with you to understand your needed min-max levels at your facility and understand or better recalibrate at our end the necessary min-max levels. So we'll get on that right away and address that. As it relates to a distribution center, those discussions are never off the table. We're constantly looking at better ways to support you in your sales efforts. So thanks very much for your question. The next question comes from Joe Hughes. I know this gentleman. He's the president of the National Ford Truck Club. Joe says, Safe Fleet is always out there on the edge. What's on the horizon for the industry from your perspective? Well, the industry moving at a very, very rapid pace. In all the years that I've been in this business, I've seen it go from a planning environment to a procrastinating environment to an impulse buying market. What I mean by that is that nobody makes the decision today to buy anything until they absolutely have to have it. And when they have to have it, they have to have it today. That truck has got to be working by 5 o'clock today or 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. That requires us to stay very, very tight to the industry demands. And speed to market is one of the things that we will continue to focus on with rapid delivery and escalated programs that focus on expedient build at the manufacturing facility with the utilization of robotics, automation, etc. We'll always focus on the safety enhancement and productivity of all of our products to all of our customers. However, we are now looking at artificial intelligence. The industry is calling out for technology that we've never seen or never thought of before, and that is something that is starting to roll up in the work truck vertical today. So look for those exciting products to include such vision as artificial intelligence. Hey Joe, I appreciate your inquiry, but at this time I want to take us outside and go over this month's presentation of product. Let's take a look. We'd like to go over the Ergo-Rack family of products today. This particular rack is featured with our new hex drive system. But before we talk about that, I'd like to also mention that this rack that you're going to find today in our presentation is equipped with our patented and exclusive, only adjustable hydraulic cylinder in the industry today. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, it's important for you to know that Prime Design wrote the book on Ergo-Rack technology. So with that, John, let's take a quick look at how this thing operates. One of the things that you're going to notice is that the hex drive system features a 6-point receiver shaft with a 12-point ratchet drive system itself. That's a ratchet, physically a ratchet. Now you'll notice that John reaches to his highest point and utilizing his leg strength drops down this ladder for proper deployment. You'll also notice too during that actuation process, it doesn't discriminate to the height of the operator. Whatever the reach could be, it's functional for that individual. So anybody of any height can operate this type of system. Now, when the ladder rack is deployed off the roof line of this product, it is now further, deployed by the slide down, drop down system, which John's going to demonstrate here. That brings the ladder now to near shoulder height, and John is now utilizing the fulcrum point of the ladder rack system, and then he will walk backwards, shoulder the ladder, and take the ladder off the van in an ergonomic, safe fashion. Reinstallation, utilizing the fulcrum point again, installing it back on the slide away system, and inverting the ratchet, again utilizing leg strength, and reinstalling the ladder effortlessly. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a great solution with this Eurovan technology that's come to the US and very much entrenched here today. Also keep in mind that this ladder rack is aluminum constructed, features stainless steel hardware, and comes with a 100% polyester powder coat finish. That's true value. Next time you think of a ladder rack, think of Prime Design, think of Safe Fleet, and all of our other family of products that we can offer you. Hey, I hope you found that presentation informative, and we look for you to be here next month on Work Truck 360. Thanks very much for your business. Have a great day and keep those questions coming in.